Good morning, Clover Park students. I'm Carlos Salado.
And I'm Isabel Sanders.
And thank you for tuning into CPHS News this morning. Today's top story, what are temperate rainforests? Well, looking for you is knows the answer.
Temperate rainforests are forests that can occur in the temperate zone and receive high rainfall. These forests can be found on the Pacific coast of North America. We are now going live to Manny for the weather report.
Weather? I thought you said feather. It's raining.
Thanks, Manny. Now we will go live to Andrew for a wildlife segment.
In temperate rainforests, there are many wildlife species such as beavers, raccoons, black bears, cougars, and most importantly, elk. Let's go over all these real quick. Beavers are large nocturnal semi-aquatic rodents. Beavers adapt to the forest by eating the tougher conifer needles that litter the floor. Raccoons are medium-sized animals that are black and white while adapted to the forest by camouflage. Black bears are medium-sized bears that are black. These omnivores adapt to the forest by hibernating in the winter to sleep while other species battle for food. Cougars, aka lions or pumas, are powerful tawny brown cats that adapt to the forest because of its cool temperature. Finally, the elk are large land mammals that are brown. The elk is most important species to temperate rainforests because their foraging and trampling provide the balance that is necessary.
Thank you, Andrew. Let's go live to Darlene for a wrap-up. Darlene?
Humans nowadays have God's goal. Okay, listen, human impact on temperate rainforests are crazy. They cause pollution because they don't know how to recycle and deforestation. But we go into these biomes and kill species. Not only do we increase chance of the extinction, but we also risk killing off all of the animals in the food chain. Come on, people, get it together. In temperate rainforests, about 12 to 14 feet of raindrops every year. Every season except for summer, the temperature drops below freezing. In summertime, the temperature doesn't exceed 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Some abiotic factors in temperate rainforests are temperature, water clouds, and soil. Let's get serious.
Do you feel like you have an impact on pollution in temperate rainforests?
No.
Wow.
That concludes today's story on temperate rainforests.
Now you guys enjoy the boops.
It didn't even get on me.
You didn't say it's raining.
In temperature
Thank you for
rainforests, there are
tuning
many
to
wildlife
CPH News this morning. Good morning, Clover Park students. Good morning, Clover Park students.
Bro, what is going on?
Oh, nope. Back here. Nope.
She wants to type it out.
We have a job to do.
I have a job to do. And that concludes today's segment on temperate rainforests.
Take it.